So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. I'm going to show you two ways on how to get here. So for the first way, this is if you can sign into Windows. I'm on Windows right now, I can sign into it. If you can sign into Windows, then you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. And now next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now, and then click on restart now again. It will then take you into that screen. And now for the second way, if you cannot sign into Windows, then you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to quickly turn it back off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you then want to quickly turn it off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on advanced options. And now once you're on this, I'm going to be showing you 5 different ways on how you can fix your problem. So for the first method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then system restore. If you do not see system restore, then you want to click on see more recovery options, and then it should appear right here. So you want to click on system restore. If you have a restore point that's already been enabled on your computer, then you want to click on next, and then go back to your restore point. This should then fix your problem. If you do not have a restore point, that's fine. We're going to click on cancel. And now for the second method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then start to prepare. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC, see if this works for you. If that did not work, we're going to click on advanced options, troubleshoot, advanced options again, and then command prompt. And now once you're on this, we're going to type in bootrec space / fix mbr. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in bootrec space / fix boot. Click on enter again. If you get this error, just ignore it. Now we're going to type in bootsect space / nt60 space sys. Click on enter again. And now we're going to type in bootrec space / scan os. Click on enter. And now we're going to type in bootrec space / rebuild BCD. Click on enter again. Now you just want to close out of command prompt. Now you just want to continue onto Windows, and then that should fix your problem. If the problem is still not fixed, then you want to come back to this screen, like I will show you how to do at the start of the video. Now once you're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then startup settings. And then click on restart. Wait for this to load. And now once we're here, we're going to enable safe mode. So you want to click on either 4 or F4 on your keyboard. So click on 4 or F4. Wait for this to load. It's then going to take us into safe mode. We're going to close out of this. Now you just want to simply restart your computer. It's going to take you back into Windows. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then you want to come back to this screen. You want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. Now we're going to type in chkdsk space /f space /r space, and now the letter of your drive where you have Windows installed on. For me, it's going to be C:. For most of you guys, it's also going to be C:. If it's not, just type in your drive letter with a colon, and then click on enter. And now you just want to run this scan. It may take a while, so just run this scan. Once it's been fully completed, you want to close out of this, and then continue to Windows, and then hopefully that'll fix your problem. If that's still not working, then you want to go to troubleshoot, reset this PC. If you don't have your files backed up, you can go over keep my files. If you do have your files backed up, then you can go over remove everything. Choose whichever option that you want, reset your computer, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.